Hey guys, happy Sunday. Welcome back to Richie's Kitchen. You don't know what to do. On today's menu, we're going to be cutting up with some butterfly chicken. Right there, I seasoned it already. So I'll post all the seasoning, what you're going to need, in the description below. Over here we have some steaks. We're gonna make some steak sandwiches. Stick around for that, guys. You don't want to miss it. All right, so first of all, you're gonna grab your steak, your chicken, take off all the preparations, and you're gonna throw it on. All right, so I chopped it in, come on closer. I chopped the meat inside. I didn't just leave it all whole because it'll take longer to cook. And we're not rushing the meat anyways, but you don't want it to be raw inside, so that's why I did that. And then we're gonna come over here. The steaks are extremely small, so you don't want to take too long with them. So I'm gonna take this guy and we're just gonna put it on over here. How's the pool, guys?
What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
Alright. You can even put some of the steaks up here because they're thin cut.
Yummy, Dad.
As my grandparents would call up at this spot, the kreng kreng. You hear that? The kreng kreng.
That looks yummy, Dad.
Alright. And we're gonna let it stay up top. These will take about 5 minutes to cook, probably even less. And spread them up top.
I'm gonna try my best to not.
All of this steak is seasoned, well seasoned. Again, you can look in the description for the seasoning. You guys, come on. Take a look at the garden. Follow me. The garden is well prepared. Come on down. All right, you don't know it. Garden well prepared. Most of what's gonna cook over the summer in Richie's kitchen will be from the garden. Looking lovely as usual.
Hey, guys.
And our little side that the kids and I and the wifey did. We had little sunflowers. Always wanted some, so I finally got some.
And I accidentally broke one.
Exactly. See, I admitted it on camera. All right, guys. So stick around. More magic to come. All right. All right, y'all. As you can see, I'm enjoying my Sunday.
Hello.
All right.
Hello.
See what's going on under here. All right. We got our beef cooking away. These are gonna go in my sandwiches. I'm gonna just go over here and flip that over here upon the kreng kreng. Yeah. Over here, give it another turn. And we have our chicken, butterflied and doing its thing.
I'm a potato. I'm a chip.
Happy Sunday, everyone. Yeah. All right, stick around. More magic to come. So you don't know. I remember I said the beef won't take that long to cook. If you don't have yard man hand like this, please don't touch the meat as it burns. All right, so So I'm gonna go ahead and put my secret sauce all over this.
We know what it is when you guys don't.
Exactly, that's why you're supposed to know what it is. You're my children. You're supposed to know. Yeah, special sauce.
Special sauce that makes the sweetness.
Alright, okay, alright. Don't tell them if it's sweet or sour. They have to come over after COVID and try it. Alright, so we're gonna go up here. Spread it all on top. Exactly, Mom brought a baked potato or two. Alright. So I'm gonna do this to all of the little beef. Oh my God, the heat is killing me inside the grill and outside of the grill. All right, so I'm gonna do that to all of it. Then I'm gonna chop them up and come back, and we're gonna make our beef sandwiches. So stick around. They're not even beef sandwiches. These are Richie sandwiches.
Richie sandwich.
Richie sandwich. All right, y'all. Look at that. Delicious. And I'm not even done with this piece over here. It takes a little bit longer. So, y'all listen to the music in the background. And then we give it a turn. Our chicken looks good. And Ava wants to dance for y'all. Hey! All right, y'all. Thanks for spending your Sunday with me. Happy Sunday. Stay safe. Stay COVID safe. You don't know what to do. Stick around for more magic. All right, y'all. So I already took off the smaller ones, as you can see there. Awesome. All right, we have our chicken, aguan, yassa, said we, and the bigger piece of steak that I told you I wanted to leave for last. So I'm gonna give it a little slice and let y'all see what's going on here. We're gonna chop it, and you're gonna take it. There you go. You don't want any softer than that. I don't do my steak with the whole red inside. That to me, if you're gonna eat a steak with redness in it, go bite the cow's ass. Alright, so there you go. So I'm gonna chop that up, and that's gonna be my steak sandwich. Alright, stick around and see what we do with that. Alright, so here's your steak sandwich meat. Who wants a taste?
Me.
They just came over the pool, out of the pool, and just came swarming a brother. Alright? Alright? Like Salt Bay. And the camera woman, some is going to her too. Alright, so we're gonna show you how we make the steak sandwich. Oh my God, guys.
Yeah.
I'll show you guys magic in a minute. Stick around. Alright, good people. As you can see, the chicken is boiling how it's supposed to. So I'm just gonna cover it up on top of my grill. Again, if you don't have tough hands like me, no, put your hand on the chicken. Alright? So we're gonna take it, wrap it. And put it all the way back. Get our potatoes and put them in the front, or we can just use that. Cover it up. Simple and plain. See you in a bit, guys. Alright, y'all. As you can see, the chicken is ready. I've chopped inside. You can see it's juicy. Let me show you. Where the juice there? Juice now run, but you know where I'm going with this. It's all ready. I'm going to give it a flip. Awesome. Flip it on over. It's all cooked on both sides. So I'm going to do with that is turn on the barbecue. Turn it on low. I'm going to leave that over there. Give it a taste. Put my potatoes there. Close that. Come with me, guys. Come. Over here, we're gonna cook up the peppers, onions, and all that good stuff for our beef sandwiches, okay? So stick around for that. I'm gonna get my sous chef to bring on over the peppers and bring them in. So give me 2 minutes. 2 minutes! All right. All right, y'all. So here's one of my sous chefs bringing my plate. The chicken is ready, well butterflied. You can see it's cooked in between the legs, the breast, all that. So I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna cover it up and let my potatoes cook, and then I'm gonna start out the beef sandwiches. So remember to stick around for that. Ava,
Yeah.
look at this. Is it ready?
Yeah, I want to taste.
You want to taste? It's hot. Okay, I'll give you a sec. All right, stick around, guys. Welcome back. So we're gonna saute our vegetables. That's gonna go on top of our beef sandwich. Can you guys hear the music? Take the music in. All right, bring it on over, Evan. Bring it on over. Here's my sous chef. All right, bless it. All right, we're gonna saute that. I'm gonna add some black pepper and a little bit of garlic plus to it. And we're gonna make our sandwiches, guys. Stick around for all my sandwich lovers. So the kiddos want to help out a little bit. So we're gonna put a little bit in her hand. She's gonna sprinkle it on top. Sprinkle it like salt, babe. All right. Quenga. All right. Sprinkle it on top. All right. And I'm gonna go ahead, sprinkle a little bit more on top. Then I'm gonna get some black pepper. I'm gonna sprinkle some black pepper on top.
Black pepper. Black pepper.
All right.
And black pepper makes.
Now I'm gonna put a little bay leaf on top. You don't know, I like to have my zest and my spices. Ooh, bay leaf on top. I'm gonna give it a stir. Bisco, get out of here. Dog even likes the smell. All right, Papa, go on top of the table and get me my secret sauce that I'm gonna sprinkle on top. All right, guys.
Okay.
So this is for the sandwich.
I got the secret sauce, Daddy.
All right. So a little bit of my secret sauce on top. Don't even put the camera to this. We don't want them to see what's inside. Secret sauce is coming. Secret sauce on top. And then we're just gonna give it a stir. If you guys could smell this, people, choblo wow. All right. Can y'all see that? It's pretty, right? Y'all see that?
With my finger?
Sure. All right, guys. Y'all see that? Stick around. I'm gonna toast some buns, and we're gonna put our sandwiches together, and we're gonna have dinner together. Happy Sunday, y'all. All right, guys. So I turned off the barbecue under the vegetables. We don't want them too hard, and we don't want them too soft. Just blanched. And see? Vegetarians, minus the meat. You can go ahead with this, y'all. All right. Stick around for more magic, guys. All right, my general public. So for the sandwich them, you can just use regular hot dog buns. Maybe for the next video I'll get some nice special pretty looking bread, but for now it's just hot dog buns. You open them, drop them on the grill. Potatoes are ready. Just a little toast. We don't want them to burn. Just good enough for we like a sandwich them. All right, y'all. And over here, we have our veggies well done already. Nice and ready. All right, is it. All right, my generals. Okay, so we have the meat ready. So I'm just gonna chop it up a bit. No meat waste.
I want to try.
You wanna try?
Yeah. Hi guys, I'm still back.
All right.
That is good.
And as I said, we can go with just regular bun. So I'm gonna go with actually the most toasted one. Right there.
And I want bacon.
Secret sauce.
Guys, just a sauce. It's secret one. Right, Daddy?
Right, Mamacita. Alrighty. Then we're gonna go ahead with our veggies that we chopped up earlier. And then we're gonna go ahead again.
Add some secret sauce.
Oh my Lord, guys. And we're gonna try to close it. And there you have it.
The Dave Specialist.
Actually, we don't have it as yet.
Some whipped cream. Need it in there, guys?
Oh, it's all falling out.
Oh!
See? All right.
You feel like you're in heaven.
Sis, you want to try this? You want to try this, sis?
No, I'll have it for dinner.
Try it, sis.
No.
Give it a bite. How's it taste?
That tastes better than anything.
All right. You know what to do? Give me a subscribe. But I'm going to show you something else. So over here was our butterfly chicken.
Yum, yum,
Look at that. All right, I'm going to show you how nice it is. Fall off of the bone. No blood.
Because you made it special.
Look at that.
I wish I could taste that.
Subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in. Happy Sunday. Thank you guys for spending your Sunday with me. Let the kids talk. You know they are the judge.
Hey guys.
How does it taste?
Better than the whole thing.
Give it a taste. How does it taste, Papa? Just nice? Come on.
Please bear with me. My mom's.
Don't put mom on the spot. Doesn't matter. It just tastes good.
Please.
All right, thank you guys. You know what to
Nice
do.
is amazing.
If you like what you see,
Guys,
go ahead and give it a subscribe.
guys,
Thank you so much for tuning in with me for as long as you've been tuning in.
guys.
And I appreciate you guys. Ava wants to say something.
So, click down. So, as long as you want videos, click here. No, click here.
All right, thank you guys. Appreciate you guys. Happy Sunday. Subscribe. All I can say. Like.
Like,
It's delicious.
and if you want to see more videos, click here. No, click here.
Okay.
And also, if you want to hit the notification bell to know when another video is out, and also tell my daddy what you guys want him to make next.
To eat, and we'll make it for
All right. See you guys later. Thank you.
Bye.